Hi friends! So today we're going to be taking some time to review Unit 1 from Fundations. So I know that when we left off in class, we left off on Unit 9, but we're going to take some time to go back and just make sure that we're remembering all of those really important things that are going to help us in our future units. So 3 of the most important things that we learned about in Unit 1 were digraphs, blends, and closed syllables. If you remember correctly, a blend and a digraph are very, very close, but a digraph is when you have more than one consonant that blends together and makes just that one sound, okay? Whereas a blend, you would actually hear every sound of the letters. So looking at our digraphs up here, we do have 5 of them. If you remember how to drill these sounds, I'd like you to drill them with me. If not, you can kind of listen to me drill them, and then you can pause the video and see if you can do it yourself. So starting off, we have WH, whistle, what? CH, chin, sh. SH, ship, sh. And TH, thumb, f. And CK, sock, k. Please remember that for CH, we really just want to hit that ch sound, and we don't want to accidentally add any vowels. So sometimes we might say CH, chin, chip, or ch, but we just want to say ch for that one, okay? Now, to practice our digraphs and our blends, I'd like us to look at a couple of words. So if we look at the word ship and we look at the word slip, if I'm looking at ship and I want to tap this word out, go ahead and get your tapper up and ready. We're going to say sh, I, p, ship. If you noticed, I only tapped 3 times for 4 letters. That's because SH is a digraph and it makes one sound, okay? And remember, we underline and mark a digraph with just one line because it's one sound. Whereas for a blend in the word slip, you definitely hear the S and you definitely hear the L, but they are blending together. So we're going to mark that up with 2 lines because you hear both of those sounds. So if we're going to tap that out, go ahead and get your tapper ready. We have S, O, I, P, slip. Okay, so like I said, digraphs and blends are very similar in the fact that they're both consonants together. But with a digraph, you have just that one sound, and with a blend, you actually hear all of those sounds. Okay? And then we also talked about closed syllables in Unit 1, which if you remember, to have a closed syllable, you need one vowel. It has to be a short vowel, and it has to be closed in by some consonants, or maybe even just one consonant. So looking at the word ship and slip, they both have one vowel, that I. It is a short I because you hear it and not I. So ship, slip, okay? And those those vowels are closed in by a consonant, okay? And if you remember correctly, this is how we mark up a closed syllable word. All right. At this point, I would like you to pause the video, and I have 4 words of the day from Unit 1. So we have rich, shred, blend, and flock. I would like for you to pause the video and see if you can mark up these 4 words and spot any digraphs, blends, or closed syllable words. Perfect. So hopefully you had some time to kind of mark up those words and spot a few things. So if we start off with our word rich, we have a digraph, CH, and it is a closed syllable because there's one vowel, it's a short vowel, and it's closed in by some consonants, okay? Remember, it doesn't have to just be one consonant closing that in. It can be more than one consonant, okay? Looking over at our word blend, I don't see any digraphs, but I do see that my B, my L are blending together, and my N and my D are blending together. This is also a closed syllable because I have one vowel that's short and it's closed in by some consonants. Looking over at my next word, flock, I notice I have a blend in the beginning, a digraph at the end, and it's a closed syllable word again because it has one vowel that's short and it's closed in. Okay, now this last word, shred, can be a little bit difficult. So looking over here, I notice right away that I definitely have a digraph, SH, but remember, you might also have a consonant R in this case, that blends in with that digraph. So you can have a blend that includes a digraph. And this is also a closed syllable word because there is one vowel that's short and it's closed in by a consonant. Okay?